Hello, welcome. What's up guys, I am Mariowit and in this tutorial I will show you how to check what GPU you have in your PC. Okay, so we may start. You may leave like, subscribe, share to others, write a comment what a next tutorial you want on my channel, and let's go. So you have a link in the description to this program. It is HWMonitor, and here you have everything. You may check what processor, what CPU you have, what motherboard, and temperatures, everything, and also GPU, card graphics. Okay, so as you can see, I have NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1018 Ti, and here you have voltages, value at this moment, minimal and maximum. Okay, temperatures, fans, powers, clocks, utilization. That's great program and you have link in description. So that's all. I have hope that tutorial was helpful for you, and it's everything what I wanted to show you. So you may like, subscribe, share to others, write a comment. Bye bye, see you next time. Thanks for watching. Thanks mate.